channel. In today's video, I'm so excited to be showing you our empty house tour. I want to first start off by saying I apologize for the sound. Obviously, nothing is in here, so if it's really echoey, that is why. Also, another disclaimer, we're actually painting all of the walls tomorrow, so stay tuned for that video. That is coming soon. And let's go ahead and get started. So Frankie has been in here and he loves it. He just keeps running up all of the levels of the house and he is just so excited to have a bigger space. But starting off, this is the door where you first enter, and then this is kind of what's going to be our living room. This cord is ugly right now, I apologize. But we have really good plans for this space already. We know what we want to do. We have the couch over here, and we have cute little side tables to put on either side, and we're going to mount the TV. And this is cool because it has these like kind of indents where the rooms are still very open, but they also are their own room. And then coming in here, this is going to be our dining room. And our dining room table is actually kind of small. It's not small, but it's definitely not this big. So we're going to try to figure out a couple different things to do with this space. And I love the light that's already in here. I think this is so cute. They only have one bulb in there, so we're also going to fix the lighting in all of the rooms. So, you know, this is the first time we're in the house. It is just how it is, how we're taking it. And then after we walk this way, we have this hallway here, and we have the door right here, which is our basement, which is just a normal ugly basement, so we're not going to go in there. And then we have another couple like divots in the walls, which we're actually going to use for like a bar area and a coffee area here. And then this slowly transitions into the kitchen. The first thing that we both loved about this house is the little like sink thing that it has. This is just so fun. And Jack is actually I don't even know how to do that. Jack is actually the one who does the dishes, so he is definitely excited to use this. And it's a deeper sink, which is super nice. We're also really excited because the fridge is like huge and it's one of the bottom freezers, which we've never had. So, you know, we're slowly coming up in the adulting game. So yeah, I love the kitchen. I'm so excited to use it. I love all the appliances. So let's go upstairs now. Here's the staircase that goes up. I really like that the stairs are carpeted just because every room in this house is hardwood floor. And it's kind of nice to have, A, it's not going to be a squeak when we walk up the stairs, and B, just a nice little cushion on the feet. Come on, Frank. Here you go. Okay, so when we get to the top of the stairs, we have two different rooms here. This one right here is our bathroom. That's the only downfall of the house, is we only have one bathroom. And where we live now, we have two. So that's going to be a transition for us to get used to only using one bathroom together. But this is what she looks like. Again, we've done nothing, but those are videos coming soon. Another light that's out, it's fine. And then in this room right here, we have this weird small space, and we were talking about what we wanted to use it for. Like, we were thinking maybe an office or something, but we actually decided that what we want to do is turn it into like a huge walk-in closet. We have 3 bedrooms, and I mean, it's just us and a dog, so we really don't need that. So we're really excited to, you know, kind of have a creative hand on this room and turn it into our own closet. And then there's a door in here that actually goes up into our attic. Again, that's nothing really crazy to show you. It's just a lot of space. Jack is going to be using that for his man cave area, so we will have to see what that ends up looking like as well. So behind me, I have this really long, I'm going to let him run around. Behind me, I have this really long hallway here, which goes back into the master, but let's pop in this guy first. So this is the second bedroom, which we're going to be turning into our office. Again, just a basic bedroom, but this is kind of what we're thinking. And then we'll have like our desk right here, and I can just already see it being super cute once everything is painted again as well. In case you can't tell, really don't like the paint color. And then we just have a basic closet here, nothing fancy. Frank's gonna go in it though. You got me? Down at the end, we have our master. So this is where we will be sleeping, and did you get him? Did you get him?
Yes.
So cute. The other thing I really like about this house is it has a ceiling fan in each room and the living room, which I'm a huge, look at him, oh my god, he can't do it. Which I'm such a huge fan of, like I love fans, so. And then we also will have one more closet in here. Not super big, but again, we're gonna be turning that one room into a huge closet, so we'll probably just be using these closets for storage and like winter stuff. All right guys, so that is pretty much everything. I did not show the basement or the attic, but we are getting ready to start bringing stuff in. We're gonna start taping stuff off to get ready to paint in the morning, and I just cannot wait to make this place feel like our home. I'm so excited. So if you are not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel to keep up to date with all that's gonna be going on. I'm gonna be doing a whole moving series, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks guys.